Guys, hi, this is Mandar from Copper, and I am going to talk to you about what is a life insurance policy, right? A life insurance policy is a specific type of insurance policy that covers financial losses that you might suffer or your family might suffer in case of premature death of the person who has been insured, right? So, whenever a person takes a life insurance policy covering his life, there is a specific tenure to the life insurance policy and there is a specific coverage amount, right? What is the amount that you will receive in case of a premature death, right? You also need to pay a specific premium for the entire policy tenure, right? So if you die within the policy tenure, then your family is going to get the entire coverage amount as death benefit, right? And the policy would be terminated or the policy would end. Right now, life insurance plans also pay benefits if the term of the policy comes to an end. Let's say you are 25 years old, you have a life insurance policy for 30 years, and now you are 55 and you're still alive, right? You would still get back the money or the premium that you have put in month on month or year on year, right? So such policies usually are used as one of the savings avenue, right? Provides coverage against risk of dying too early. Let's take a simple example. Let's say there is this guy Sohail. He's 35 years old and he's opted for a life insurance policy. The coverage amount is 50 lakhs and the period of the life insurance policy is 30 years, right? So now Sohail has to pay a premium for the entire tenure of 30 years so that his policy stays active, his policy is in force, right? And let's say he meets with an unfortunate death before he's 65, then his family will get the entire amount of 50 lakh rupees towards death benefit, right? And then the policy would be terminated, right? So if an individual dies during the term of the policy, then the life insurance policy would pay the family, right? So that they can face any financial situation or financial loss that they have suffered. Just to summarize, what is a life insurance policy? Life insurance policy covers the risk of premature death or dying too early, and it has a specific tenure, usually a long term tenure of 20 years or 30 years, right? And some life insurance policies also have an element of savings, which means that if you survive for the duration of the life policy, right, you get back the return, right, on whatever you have put in as premium, right? So do comment below and let us know, if you have sufficient amount of life insurance. If you don't, then you should definitely go and meet your insurance advisor and check with him or her what is the life coverage that you would require, right? And get a proper life insurance policy, right? Have a good day.